What's up, folks? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and today we're taking a look at the Pack-It Specter Tech Shoe Cube from Eagle Creek. Now, this lightweight bag is made from a silnylon ripstop material that's very durable. You have a top grab handle here to make it easier for you to carry this bag wherever you need to go. The two-way self-repairing zipper opens up the main compartment, which is very spacious, tons of room, and this bag can actually carry a men's size 13 hiking boot, which means for some of you with smaller shoe sizes, you could probably fit 2, maybe even 3 pairs of shoes in here comfortably. Now, the interior of this bag is sealed, so it's going to lock in all that moisture and dirt that you might have on your shoes and you don't want spilling out onto your other packed items in your luggage. Keep everything inside here so you don't have to worry about that. And thanks to the material that this is made out of, this will be water repellent and stain resistant. Stay nice and organized with this great shoe cube from Eagle Creek.